Hello and welcome to our new site here at New Road, Clondalkin. The project here involves a home renovation extension to an existing dwelling and a family apartment to the rear of the site. The crew have started works and they have progressed with some demolition and site preparation. Let's come on inside and have a look at their progress. So this is the front of the main dwelling. This existing building needs substantial amount of renovation, full removal of all of the existing structures of add-ons and so on. And we're going back to the original skeleton of the building. And we are proposing a new two-storey modern side extension, front extension, which is currently in planning with South Dublin Council at the moment. We're expecting planning to be processed and approved in the next 3 or 4 weeks, and we can start on the exterior of the building. Let's have a look around the site and I'll show you the back family apartment. So here we have some existing side extension porch. You can see the return level here, two-storey extension to the side. And also we have the original garage and in a historical build to the back, which consisted of an old commercial unit and storage unit. We are now transforming that into a new family apartment, and that will be interconnected to the main dwelling via a courtyard and link internally, which will have full access for the family. And you can come around here, we can show you the major renovation which is involved here. Also included new glazing, new insulation, new floor slab, and full kitchen, sanitary ware, interior decor. The back garden extends to over 50 metres. It has lots of potential for future development. We have precedence for a new dwelling. As you can see from the adjoining neighbours' property, they got planning permission in the last 10 years for a new home. You can see some of the timbers have been replaced, damp proofing has been installed. The engineered steel beams are in place sitting on pads, and the triple glazed windows and French doors are in place now with some protection for tiling and concrete which is being poured recently. So coming in the front main entrance, we have a small hallway lobby area which has a storage closet, coats, boots and general storage area. To the left here we have the main bedroom, 25 square metres, incorporating the work and wardrobe. And again we have the large skylight and vaulted ceiling to give more volume to the room and space. Walls, they're ready for painting and finishing. And it's perfect for one person master bedroom. Perfect size, good light to the side, ventilation. The courtyard is through this way. And back out this way you have your access to the downstairs toilet, which is just located off the main entrance. Triple glazed window system here. And we have all of our contacts for alarms. And in through here we have the main toilet. Okay, and to the right here we have the open plan kitchen dining space. So the kitchen will be located on the left hand side. It's wired and plumbed, first fix, ready for installation. All of the walls are plastered and skimmed, ready for painting and decorating also. And the tiler has started with the flooring. It's about 70% complete. Here we've also got a double door, floor to ceiling, French door system and tilt and turn system, and you can see the views to the back. So let's come on inside to the main dwelling. This is the entrance porch which will be removed. Here we are creating a two-storey double height entrance with full corner glazing. It's a modern extension, externally insulated and cladded in a finish separate to the main dwelling. The whole house needs full renovation, upgrade and full interior decor finishes. So pretty much everything on the inside here is going to be removed, stripped out. Here's the main front reception living room, which we're using as our office at the moment. Briefly have a look at the planning drawings here. You can see the existing dwelling on the left. You can see the 3Ds here of the right hand side. Colour schemes and window framing details.